Bring it in. Bring it in.
It's biting.
Bring it in.
Oh!
Para! Fish on. Jamaican shore fishing. Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing here. Fish on. We got him. Channel Jamaican shore fishing here. Today is Sophia's video. She's doing her first fish catch today, guys. And she's the main person in this video today, guys. And Laurie. So you probably won't see me in this video till you hear much of me. But you'll see these guys in action. Alright, guys. Stay tuned. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Is doing her thing today, guys. And I'm getting her rod set up that she can get some drop line in. And oh, the tip came off. How did that happen? Chinese rods. It is what it is. We'll work with this today, guys. Let's hope she don't hold it, Sophia. The daddy get your rig out. Some dangerous hooks on it. Rake fell down in here just now. Can you hold this back for me for a sec? Careful, careful, don't squeeze it. Alright. Alright, got that set up. So now, no, it's a lead weight. This is what makes the weight. I was looking for a light one that this rod can handle, right? So that when the bait goes on it and I throw the line out, the line goes to the bottom of the water and then the fish grabs onto it and then that's where you pull your fish in. Okay? So careful, watch the hook swinging. Daddy's gonna get some baits prepped. Just stay right there, don't move. So
It's probably still alive.
Daddy got to hook it like this and hook it again, in it again like this. So when the big fish grabs onto it, they don't. Let me get my bag off my back because this bag is getting kind of annoying going up and down. So I have my hands a little bit more free. I'm going to get another bait because you have. Ay! Pinched me and got away. He pinched me and got away. Yeah. He pinched me and got away. That guy was saved. He pinched. Alright. So I hook this guy up now. And get him hooked a couple of times, right? You gotta get him pinned pretty good.
But he's a very tiny guy.
Yeah, so what you don't want to do.
He's a very tiny guy, but he has lots of.
Alright, Daddy got to clean his hands off the yucky stuff. Alright, let me show you what you do now. So this is how it works, right? The fishing rod gives you basically an extension out so you can get out a little bit further. So what you want to do is bring the bail around. Look, watch Daddy. Look, are you paying attention?
Yeah.
You bring the bail around like this and bring it up in the air. This is the bail. You pull it back like this, the line. Unlock the bail. You bring the rod behind you and then you send the weight forward. Okay? But what I don't want that line is for that line to fall into the rocks. So I want the line in the clear, right? Here, feel it? Tell me when you feel something biting on there.
Okay.
Hold it steady, hold it stiff. You feel anything?
No.
Gotta hold it and keep tension on the line. You feel it?
No.
You didn't feel something hit it a while ago? Like,
Yeah, it just hit.
all right.
No, but I think it was just.
Okay. He hit it.
It's hitting again.
All right, let me see if you got something. Let me see if you got something. Let me check it. No. Hold it.
Oh, want to get it. Oh, I think something's fighting. Something's fighting.
He's fighting?
Yeah, it's fighting.
Let me
See
see.
the end? It's bending.
Hold on, don't move it. You gotta pull it. When you feel it pull down really hard, you know that. Don't pull it yet. Is he pulling it?
Yeah, he's pulling it.
Huh?
He's pulling it.
You wanna bring it in?
Yeah, I think.
You gotta hold it like this. Let Daddy show you the first time so you don't get hitched up. And you bring it like this, and then you wind him up like this. Oh no, he's not on it yet. See? The bait's still there.
I think he just bit it.
Alright, let's set this bait back better on the line. And guys, we here, me and Sophia, guys, and this is the first time Sophia is fishing with her dad officially, one-on-one. And she's actually trying out Laurie's new rod, guys. She's giving it a test. Laurie's back there in the water enjoying herself. So I'm trying to pin this bait a little bit better so the fish can't get it off as easy. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Making sure fishing Sophia and Daddy. This is what's up. We're going to chuck it out there a little bit further and see if we can get a little bit further out and drop it right in that opening right there, Sophia. And see if we can get a bigger fish to pick it up. We want it to fall right between that opening and that clear blue right there between the rocks. So see, hold it.
I think just hit it.
I want him to hit it harder than that.
Okay, hit it again.
Trying to get it off the hook. That's how you know they're working. Keep tension on the line. Don't let it get slack. You feel that?
Yeah.
They're hitting it. So when the fish hits now, Sophia, and he bites and he runs, the line will go down a little bit further. You understand?
And I'll see this going, whee!
Yeah. Well, you gotta hold them good if that happens, okay? If you need help, you just tell Daddy and Daddy will help you. It's all about patience.
Hit it again.
Okay? Don't worry, one of them's gonna come back and hit it really good.
And I was like, oh dang it, I can't get this bait off. I can't get this food off this snake.
That's right. That's what he's saying. He's trying to get that food off. Like, darn it, I'm trying my hardest here. But she just seemed to have pinned that bait so hard.
Oh! It's trying to pull. It's trying.
He's trying to pull you?
It's trying. It's trying to pull it.
You want to check it?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, so now you got to hold this against your stomach. Put one hand up here. Put your one hand right here. So you put one hand like this. Yeah, and put your fingers through it like that. Yep. And lean this right here like this. And then hold your reel. And then once you lift up, you start winding forward and don't stop. Ready?
Okay. Set,
Go. Wind it. Oh, I think you got stuck. Hold on, let me get it up for you. Alright. Go on.
Guys, there are big fish where I got stuck.
I think the fish brought it into the rocks. I think they brought it into the rocks. We don't want to lose this rig. I got it loose.
Okay, this is going really crazy.
I think it was a fish that grabbed it.
A big one.
See, he got the bait off.
Oh. Only one bait? A bit?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That won't handle us for long. Should we throw the shell in the ocean so the other hermit crabs have shells to do?
Huh?
Should we throw that shell in the ocean so the other hermit crabs have them?
Sophia's doing her thing. I'm low on the battery on this one, but I was trying to catch a little action. Her GoPro is live. Yep. And she's definitely watching what's going on with you guys here.
Oh, they're trying to get it off the...
Don't worry. You'll know when they hit and run.
Whoop! One of them tried to get it.
Yeah, that's the whole idea. Let me see. Let me feel it.
It tried to take it away. Tried to take it away. She tried to take it away. You're just waiting there doing nothing. Oh!
Fish on, baby. Here. You want to bring him in? Look. Here. Bring it in. Bring it in, Sophia. Bring it in. Bring it in.
It's fighting!
Bring it in.
Oh!
Para!
It's moving!
Let Daddy get it so it don't fall off. Let Daddy get it so it don't fall off here, baby. Your first fish? You caught
still
your
moving.
first
Ah,
fish.
look at me,
You caught your first fish.
I know, it's so big.
You caught your first fish?
It's so tiny.
You caught your first fish.
I know.
You're gonna eat that?
Yeah.
Look at the teeth in it. Hey, guy. You wanna see my pretty smile? Huh?
That's not a pretty smile. That looks... Yeah!
Just step up here. Go, step up. Step up. Don't step on the lure. Don't step on the lure. Go up. Step across. Go across. Go across. Just step across. Just jump across. Hooey. A parrot.
I caught a parrot.
Go ahead. Go up. Go over. Battery dead on GoPro, guys. Oh, big lure one time and done, guys. I'm pulling back after this and going. That's it for me today. Big woman thing. Hey guys, so went to a deep diver, see if I can get a little bit deeper in this water from further out. Fish on, Jamaican shore fishing. Fish on, guys. Jamaican shore fishing here. Fish on. We got him. Fish on. We got him, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Come here, buddy. Get up on Jamaican shore fishing line, man. What are you, man? Swim straight for me, boy. Swim straight for me, boy. Don't give me no trouble. Don't give me no trouble. Hola! Woohoo! Yeah! That's what's popping. Jamaican shore fishing here, guys. This is what's up. Yeah, man. Murder. That's what's up, guys.
I'm alive.
Yeah, man, we're mad, man. We're mad, guys. Check out my channel, YouTube, Jamaican Shore Fishing. Alright? That's what's up. Yeah, man. I hate this, you know, guys. Killer. I know I wasn't gonna get. I was gonna hit one of them with that deep diver this evening. I just knew it. That silver off this deep diver, guys. Serious.
Yeah.
Hold this to me 1 second, brother.
Yeah.
Let me grab this this fish off of here real quick. He hit it just as I was coming right there, you know. And then about 3 of them. Yeah.
Same size.
Yeah. There was about 3 of them running the lure down.
Go catch one more of them.
Yeah. I'm gonna hit them back out there. Alright.
Good size, you know.
Yeah, man.
Fisherman, when you have all your players to take out the hook.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, that's what's up. Got him a while ago on it. Hit him from land. King mackerel?
Yeah.
Yeah. King mackerel from land? Dinner? King mackerel? Yeah. Nice dinner. That's right.
You have some man if they catch one of them off the day and gone, you know.
Me I put him out and go back for him,
You hear
man.
me?
Yeah,
You throw him
some-
back in the water?
No, man, me I
No?
kill him, man. Me I want parrot in the water too, you know.
Alright.
So me I put him down and put him on a string. Me have a
Yeah.
string.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where's Sophia? Call her.
I did. Told her to come and see.
Sophia!
Long time I don't see no man catch him side. I feel look at man.
Sprat. Check out my channel on YouTube here, Jamaican Shore Fishing, SURE.
Alright.
Alright. Sophia! Look! Hey guys, sorry about that, guys. Had to dispatch this guy. I didn't want to really do it on camera, but just to show you guys his size. There you go, Jamaican shore fishing. Look at that lovely fish, guys, outside. That's what's up. We're gonna put him on the string, guys. Get him back in the water to keep him fresh because my cooler is all the way at the car. So let me get the string and get him on here. That's what's up. From land. That's what's up, guys.